Follow these steps to unlock Apple ID without phone number and email. Let's get in. First, launch your settings. At the very top, you're gonna find your username. Click on that. Now navigate to the option Sign in and Security. You can try to change your Apple ID's password. Click on the option Change Password. Your Face ID will be enabled or you will be prompted to enter your phone's passcode. After you type in that, you can easily change your Apple ID's password. If this solution doesn't work for you, what you can do is launch your preferred browser. Now navigate to the website iforgot.apple.com. Click on Reset Password. Click on the option Reset My Password. You'll be prompted to use your Face ID or you can type in the phone's passcode. Then you can use either phone number or the email address. Then you can easily reset your password of Apple ID. So these are the ways you can easily unlock Apple ID without phone number and email. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.